Today we're going to start your new lesson. Now that we've read our book, you guys are going to do a new lesson. You can hold your paper however you like. It can be up and down or side to side. It's your choice. I'm going to hold mine up and down. You are going to need today, we're going to do watercolors. You're going to need a black crayon. If you don't have watercolors, you can use crayons. And if you're going to start with a pencil. Like always, I start with the marker so you can see it. We are going to draw a fun pumpkin with a face. So we're going to start out by drawing a large oval or circle. Depends which way you hold it. If it's this way, it's a tall, skinny pumpkin. If you hold it this way, you might have a short, fat pumpkin. So it all depends which way you hold it. Once we draw the pumpkin, we're going to draw the stem. Draw two straight lines. And actually, I am going to draw both ways for you. And if you have a fat pumpkin, you're going to draw two stem this way. Then you're going to make a straight line across. And for mine, you're going to make a straight line across. So now I have my two pumpkins. The next step, depending on which face, you are going to draw two eyes. 1, 2. Maybe when you cut your pumpkin, you have one little eye and one big eye. It doesn't matter. It's your choice. Now, you get to make the pupils. Maybe your pupils are straight in the middle. Maybe your pupils are looking up. Now, I'm going to draw some examples on the side here. I'm going to get another paper and we're going to see some examples. Maybe your eyes look crisscross. Maybe your eyes look wiggly all over the place. Maybe your eyes look down. It's your choice. So you pick how you want your eyes. Now the next step, once you draw your eyes, we're going to draw our mouth. So we're going to make a straight line across, and then we're going to make a big U. And I'll do it on our other pumpkin. Straight line across and a big U. Now you want him to kind of have a big mouth because he's going to light up at night. Now you're going to draw teeth for how old you are. So if you are 5, you're going to draw 5 squares. And this is how you do it. 1, 2 straight lines, a line across. 1, 2, and a line across. If you are 3, which I don't think anyone's 3, you can make 3 if you want. You can make 4. You're going to add your teeth. And your teeth don't have to be perfect because when you cut out a pumpkin, they're never perfect. Now, here is the fun part. You drew yours in pencil. So now you're going to take your crayon, just like we did last week with our spiders. You're going to take your crayon and trace your picture. Now, am I coloring anything extra? No. Am I drawing little pictures on the side? No. Am I going to color in his eyes? No. But I'm going to color the little black dot. Same thing over here. I trace the mouth. Oops, I went out of the line. That's okay. There are 2 things we can do for the next part. We can color the mouth black inside. So it looks like this is not a nighttime pumpkin. This is your pumpkin in the daytime. So we're going to color this part black. But if you want your pumpkin glowing, I'll show you what to do if you want it glowing. So this is a daytime pumpkin. We would just color the mouth black. If you want a nighttime pumpkin, this is what you would do. So if you want it at night, you're going to take this and you're going to color the mouth, not your teeth, yellow. And your eyes would be glowing too. So you would make your eyes glowing. So it's your choice if you want a nighttime glowing pumpkin or a daytime pumpkin. When we are done, we're going to paint. Remember, take your brush, go around 3 times in the water, and then make a puddle in your color. You are then going to take your time and paint your pumpkin orange, because most pumpkins are orange. Now, there are some white pumpkins and some other colors, but we're going to make our pumpkin orange. Remember, dip it back in, get some more paint, take your time. Paint your whole pumpkin orange. And if you don't have paint, that's okay. You can use crayons, because crayons will be great for this also. When you are finally finished painting your whole pumpkin, wash your brush off really well, and we're going to make the stem. Your stem could be green or brown. I'm going to make mine green, but you can make a brown stem. And then the last couple of things we're going to do is this. Watch. You're going to take your green, and I want you to make lines on the bottom like this. We are going to add grass, because our pumpkin is sitting in the grass. So you're going to add lots of little lines for your pumpkin. Like I said, if you don't have paint, you can do this in crayon. And the last step, because ours is, we're going to paint this, we can add some stars if you want, so polka dots. Okay, so add some polka dots. It could be fireflies too. And then when you're done, make sure you have somebody in your family take a picture of your pumpkin. Oh, you know what I noticed? We have a puddle here, so we used to use our paper towel. Tap, 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 tap. I forgot I had a puddle. So don't forget your paper towel for your puddles. Now, when you're finished, have someone take a picture of your pumpkin. Once you have your pumpkin taken, you're going to put it in Seesaw, so then I get to check it out. But I'm actually thinking, before you take a picture, if you want, you can also paint your background. I need to wash my brush better. You can paint your background blue or purple. So if you want to paint the sky, you start from the grass and you paint all the way around the pumpkin. But you have to start from the grass. So if you want sky, that's okay too. You don't have to add the fireflies or stars, because that's okay. It's your choice. So I did just change it, but that's okay. Take your paper towel, tap, 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 tap. And then make sure someone takes your picture. We'll load it into Seesaw, and then I can see your pumpkins. I cannot wait to see your great little smiley pumpkins. See you later.